Mrs. Neha Bhatnavar, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology Engineering, KIT's College of Engineering, Autonomous Kolhapur. I'm here with a course named Food and Nutritional Technology, and today we are going to look at Unit 1, which is Food Chemistry. So through this particular unit, the learners will be able to grasp the aspects in the food chemistry. So let us start with lesson 1 today, and the outline for the session are importance of food chemistry, food resources and its composition, different types of water in food, role of it, concept of water activity, effect of water activity on food processing. So these are the outline for the session. Let us begin with the introduction of food chemistry. So food chemistry is related to chemistry and biological sciences like biochemistry, botany, zoology and molecular biology. So certainly a person working with food chemistry is known as a food chemist, who is concerned with conditions that are suitable for sustaining the life process, the residual life process, that is post-harvest physiology of a food substance. For example, it could be fresh fruits and vegetables during their marketing. So basically, to sustain the life, the shelf life of the food products, a food chemist will be working for. So let us quickly look at the history of the food chemistry. A scientist known as Carl Wilhelm Scheele, within the year 1742 till 1786, he did one of the greatest work. Like, he isolated and studied various properties of lactose from milk, malic acid from apples and citric acid from lemon juice. Right? He was the greatest chemist, one of the greatest chemists of all time, and his pioneering work was in food chemistry. So by the first half of the 20th century, most of the essential dietary substances like proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, mostly all the macro and micronutrients were discovered and characterized. So to understand the importance of food chemistry, so enhancing the nutritional value is one. So food chemistry allows us to understand the different components present in the food, right? Understanding the nutritional value of the food. So that is how this food chemistry will enhance the nutritional value. Understanding the nutritional value of the food, right? Along with that, it helps in improving the food safety. So foodborne illnesses are significant concern globally. So these food chemists, they play a vital